Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing for you and it's a smelly one. It's one by Next and it's the cocktail countdown to Christmas. This is the gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. It is beautiful and the smell is absolutely gorgeous, really lovely. Next, I've brought out a few advent calendars this year. There's some children's ones on there. There's a men's advent calendar, there's a woman's advent calendar, there's a Next beauty advent calendar, and I think that is it. But we've got this, which is all their fragrances. So inside, I'll just give you a quick read of what it says here. It's 24 days home fragrance advent calendar. This festive and fun advent calendar includes 1 votive and tea light candle, 6 25ml diffusers, 6 candle votives, and 11 coloured tea lights, all fragranced with our favourite Christmas scents to make your countdown to Christmas a fragrance delight, including fizz, mulled wine, spice apple cider, gingerbread liqueur, and cherry fizz and almond biscotti martini. So I think a really, really good mix. Now this advent calendar costs £35, and on the back here it tells you all about the smells and what each one contains. It tells you about the smells. Yeah. So there you go. And this is what it looks like inside. Oh, if only you could smell it. It is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, really, really pretty, isn't it? So I'll be opening them up one by one, showing you and taking a sniff and telling you what they're like as we go through it, alongside my beauty advent calendar and a wine advent calendar, which I haven't bought yet. I always like to have like a candle type advent calendar as well. So each day of December I have a beauty treat, I have a glass of wine or a little mini bottle of wine, and then a smell so I can burn it. So I think those three together are just really exciting, really, really lovely, and I did it last year and I really liked it. So I'll pop all information down below. I'll put links to all the advent calendars, so you're welcome to take a look if you're interested. So underneath this video you see show more, click that. That'll bring up description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this one. So number one at the top here, we've got a little candle holder. So just take that out. Woo! I didn't realise there's a candle in here. Oh my gosh. Now they don't tell you what candle is what. I'm just going by smells. And I think this is the spiced apple because I can smell cinnamon. And yeah, it's gorgeous. Oh, it's so smelly. I love it. So that's what the candle looks like. And yeah, we got a little candle holder and it says Merry Christmas. Woo. If you can see there. So that's day number one. Number two over here, I'm going to try my best to keep these all sort of neatly looking so that I can pop everything back in afterwards, or else I'm stuffed really, aren't I? Oh, so we got a blue little tea light. So what one's this? Oh, that's gorgeous. I don't know. What have we got? What have we got? I will get used to this. As the calendar goes on, I will know these off by heart. It's either fizz, because it's got raspberry, vanilla peach and amber, or it's cherry fizz, which is cherry almond, jasmine, violet and vanilla. I don't know. I'm not too sure. But anyway, that is day number two. So we got a little tea light there. Hopefully the others will be easier to work out, so then I can eliminate them all. Number three. I don't know where number three is. Oh, down by me over here. I've had my first clue. It's fizz. So the blue candle that was on number two, they're fizz. So yeah, so it's a reed diffuser fragrance. Ooh, it's a nice size, isn't it? A really, really nice size. So no, I love these. Number four over here, and we got another fizz one. This is a fizz tea light. So there's that. Number five down here. Okay, now I'm confused. The green is the spiced apple cider. So we've got a candle here in a glass jar. That one's lovely, isn't it? Really nice sizes. Yeah, what is the purple one then? I don't know. We will find out. We will. Yeah, so that is day number, I forgot now. That took me a while to get out. Number five. Number six at the top here. And we got a purple tea light. I'm thinking it might be gingerbread liqueur. There is some ginger in there. There. So we got another tea light. Number seven here. We got another fizz reed diffuser. So there's that. Number 8 over here, we got a gorgeous pink glass candle holder, and it says Sweetie Martini, and this is Almond Biscotti Martini. That's what it's like there. So yeah, really handy sizes, aren't they? Really nice sizes. That'll burn for quite a while, I'm sure. I think that's the first we've had of the Almond Martini. Number 9 up here. And we got a spiced apple cider tea light. And there's that. Number 10 at the top here. We got another spiced apple cider tea light. So there's that. Number 11 down here. I wonder if these are in order or not, because we got another one. I'm not sure if it's just put randomly into the calendar, because it wouldn't make a difference because there's no particular order written on the back or anything. But yeah, to have 3 of these all in a row, it would have been nice to have a different one day by day. Number 12 over here. And we got a blue one, and this is a fizz one. This is a fizz tea light. So, number 13 down here. Oh, the purple's a mulled wine. Okay, so we got a mulled wine reed diffuser. I'm assuming we are going to get some reeds to pop in these in the calendar. Number 14 up here. And we got a mulled wine tea light. These are. 15 down here. And we got a spice apple cider tea light. What's that? If any of you have already bought this and you've opened it already, not even if you've opened it actually, let people know down below what the smells are like, just from like holding the calendar. It's gorgeous, it is absolutely gorgeous, but yeah, no, it's exciting. I know, I'm so chuffed I got this calendar. It's the first time I got one from Next. Last year I got one from Superdrug, it's the Bloom one, which is lovely, but I think this is a little bit different because you've got the reed diffusers and you've got the candles in the jars and stuff, where I think the Bloom one was just mainly all tea lights, which is fine. But yeah, a little bit more expensive, but a bit more luxury, I think. So I forgot what number we are on now. Is it 16? Yeah. And we've got a mulled wine reed diffuser. So we've had 2 of these so far, and we've had 2 of the fizz ones, I think. 17 down here. And we got a fizz candle. So it's like there. It's a nice candle. Number 18 down here. And we got a mulled wine tea light. 19 over here. Oh, I love this. This is dark and stormy. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely gorgeous. What is it? It's the Gingerbread Liqueur. Oh, okay. This is the first time we've had this in the calendar so far. In all honesty, I'm not that keen on ginger. I don't like eating it, but the smell, as long as it's not too strong, I really like it. Oh, that just reminds me of lattes. Costa or Starbucks, they're doing them now. I'm sure they are. I'm sure they are. They've got to be. I love that. So there's that. Number 20 down here. We've got another mulled wine. It's a reed diffuser. So we've got 3 of these so far. 21 at the top here. Got a fizz tea light candle. 22 up here, and we've got a spiced apple cider reed diffuser. 22, 23 here. We've got a mulled wine candle. Oh, so nice. So nice. It's getting really light, really light. What are we? It's the last one. And I can't find it. Number 24. Oh, you're here. Up the top here. And we got a cherry fizz candle, and it says Merry Christmas, and my nail just went in the candle. There, it's fine. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. That is really, really lovely. Have we had cherry fizz? I'm not too sure. And then there's one last thing to open, and it's the reeds to go in the diffusers. So looking at everything, I'll just gather them all up and show you. Can't see them properly here. We've got 4 spiced apple cider, 4 mulled wine, and 4 fizz tea light candles. And those are all the tea light candles we got. So we haven't got any of the other flavours, or the scents I should say, which is a shame. It would have been nice to have a good mix of all of them. But yeah, so we've got those. This is a little bit odd as well. We've got 3 mulled wine reed diffusers, we've got 1 spiced apple, and we've got 2 fizzes. So none of the others as well. So these 3 must be like their most popular sort of scents maybe. I'm not too sure. But yes, there's those. It's got to be. Because of the candles, again, we got the same mulled wine, we got the fizz and the spice apple cider as well. So little candles there. And then these three then are the only items in the whole box that are the other scents. And I suppose these are like maybe limited edition type smells. I'm not too sure. I don't know. I haven't bought any of the re-diffusers or candles from NYX before. Christmas range anyway. Here we got the Almond Biscotti Martini. Here we've got the Cherry Fizz, and then this one then is the Gingerbread Liqueur. So there's those three. And then lastly, we got the clear one, which is day number 1. It's just a glass candle holder and it says Merry Christmas. So looking at everything on the floor, initially I was a bit like, seems to be just those 3 sort of scents all the way through it. It would have been nice to have a mixture of the other 3 as well in there, but maybe there is a reason. Maybe those 3 are sort of a limited edition, so they just decided to put them in like those special metallic looking glass candle holders. I'm not too sure, but if you've got this calendar and you've already opened it, please let me know if you've got the same as me or whether there's a bit of a mixture, because I'd love to know. But yeah, I am really chuffed. The smells are absolutely gorgeous. This whole room just smells beautiful, all mixed up with all Christmassy smells. So I'm going to pop them back into this calendar now, and I'm going to wait until December 1st until I can start using them. But I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this calendar? Is it something that takes your fancy, or do you think, nah, it's not for me? Have you bought any of the other NYX advent calendars? All your comments and thoughts I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.